Hey everyone, it's Annette. So we are going to have a giveaway. I am coming up on 2,500 subscribers. Also, I think it's been almost a year since I've started constantly or consistently uploading to YouTube. I think my anniversary date is like March 30th or March 31st, but yeah, so I think it's time to have a giveaway. So there's going to be two winners. There's going to be one US and one international winner. The rules to the giveaway are, number one, you have to be a subscriber. Number two, I need you guys to comment, enter me underneath this video, but also within the same comment, I need you guys to let me know if you live in the US or if you live internationally. The giveaway is going to close on March 15th, and then on March 15th, I will disable the comments. I am going to pick winners or draw winners the week of March 18th. It just depends on the day what I have going on, but it will definitely be the week of March 18th. After I announce the winners, they will have 24 hours to contact me. If they don't contact me after 24 hours, then I will draw new winners. I will make another video and I will draw new winners. So like if US doesn't contact me, I will draw a new US winner. If international doesn't contact me, I will draw a new international winner. If they both don't contact me, I will draw two new winners. And then if nobody ever contacts me, then we'll figure out what we're going to do after that. But as far as the prize in the giveaway, there's going to be some email couture, full cover tips. There's going to be some foils. There's going to be probably some stickers, because we all know I have a lot of stickers. There's going to be some glitter. There's probably going to be some rhinestones, probably some charms. I'm thinking about throwing in each of the giveaway boxes, one each of the Madam Glam little Kelly lamps, because I got two of those in my last two orders that I ordered from Madam Glam. And so anyway, so basically, yeah, so I just wanted to come on. I wanted to show my appreciation to you guys. I really do appreciate you guys watching and liking and commenting and sharing and you know, subscribing. I really do appreciate it. This is what I like to do. I like to come on. I like to share my nail goodies with you guys. I like to share designs with you guys and information about nail art and stuff with you guys. I love talking with you guys in the comments. So this is what I love to do. And I just wanted to let you guys know that I really do appreciate it. I really do love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.